So we have a question on the board which says, if 20 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide was neutralized by 20 centimeter cube of 0.01 mole per dm cube tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, what is the concentration of the solution? So we have four options here. We have to solve and get the final correct answer. So for us to begin this question, first we need to write out the chemical equation for the question. It says 20 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide. So we have sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH, reacting with 20 centimeter cube of 0.01 tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So here we have H2SO4, and this will give us the product of Na2SO4 plus water. So let's balance this. Sodium has 2, so here is going to be 2. Sodium here is 2. So oxygen here is 2 plus here is 2, that is 4. So here we have 2, so we have to balance by putting 2 here. So we can see sodium is 1 here and oxygen is 4. Here we have oxygen as 2 plus 4, which is 6, and oxygen here is 4, then plus 2, which is 6. So this shows that this chemical equation is balanced. So from here, we can move on. Is going to be the VA, which is equals to 20 centimeter cube. And also we have another 20 centimeter cube here is going to be the VB, the volume of B, which is another 20 centimeter cube. We have 0.01 mole per dm cube. So this is Ca, which is 0.01 mole per dm cube of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So now we are asked to find the concentration of the solution. So also we need Na. Na here is going to be 1. And so we are looking for, and Cb is what we are looking for, and we have Na here to be equals to 2. So we are going to use a relation which says that CaVa over CbVb is equals to Na over NB. So from here we substitute in the values to get the correct final answer. So we have our Ca here to be 0.01 times Va, which is 20, all over. We have Cb here, which is the unknown, times, because we are asked to find the concentration of the solution, and we have times Vb, which is 20, equals to Na, which is 1 over Nb, which is 2. So from here, we simply cross multiply, and we're going to have 0.01 times 20 times 2 equals to 1 times Cb times 20. From here, we can make Cb the subject of formula here. So here we'll be having Cb is equals to 0.01 times 20 times 2 all over 1 times 20. So 0.01 times 20 times 2, all of this divided by 1 times 20 gives us a value of 0. So simplifying this gives us a value of 0.02. So since it's concentration, so our unit is going to be in mole per dm cube. So as asked from the question, the concentration of the solution is 0.02 mole per dm cube. So looking at this, the correct answer is option B, 0.020. Okay. Thank you for watching, dear viewers. This is Aisha Bande saying good day to you all and bye for now.